Hey everybody, Shane here. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm changing my channel. I'm no longer going to be doing drones. Now I am moving on to ball pythons. I also have a couple of other animals I'll be showing you guys in a couple of different videos. Um, some cichlids, axolotls, my dog, stuff like that. Today I'm going to be talking about ball pythons, specifically this ball python, who is a pied het exanthic male. His name is King Tchalla, and King Tchalla is very beautiful, super friendly, and just kind of wants to be one of the boys. Sometimes I let him outside to go and play like he's a dog or something, but you know, you gotta keep an eye on him. They'll try to escape. But he tends to hang out with me often. Let's see if I can set him up on me. But yeah, so ball python breeding. Um, from what I have heard, somewhat difficult, but so far it's basically just taking care of animals and making sure that they're good. If they're good, you're good. Uh, it's not recreating the wheel. Animals breed regardless, so might as well just try to control the genetics in there is really the trick. So that way we can get crazy colors. Now this guy doesn't have the craziest colors yet, but hopefully his babies will. I am going to breed him with an exanthic het pied, and hopefully we will get some exanthic pieds, which will be basically this guy, but black, white, and silver, and the scales will actually look like gunmetal. So that's pretty cool. I think those are some of the best looking snakes out there. But this year we got him just a female pied to breed with. So that way, you know, get something rolling instead of trying to go in my dang ear. So yeah, we're gonna breed him with a pied female. She's a full-grown female. So hopefully we should have no issues there and get our first clutch of babies. Yes, they will only be pied, but still, that's $300 to $500 a snake, so that's pretty good. Of course, once we breed him with the exanthic het pied, our hopeful outcome of that would be an exanthic pied, which is $2,500. I plan on getting a female baby this year, and we'll breed these two together in a couple of years. I'll probably have a bunch more snakes by then, but trying to kind of get a plan going on what I really want to do and see where it goes from there. As far as my snakes I have now, I have this guy, and I also have Ned, who's in the other room right now. He's going through a shed. He is a superfly het clown. So basically a superfly, he has clown in him, but you can't see it. Het is a gene that it's heterozygous, but basically you can't see it. It's a gene that's in there, but geez, where are you going? It's a gene that's in there, but it's not visible. You need 2 copies of the same gene to make it visible, because I'm working on recessive traits, seeing as most recessive snakes are a little bit more expensive. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like the channel, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next video.